Ah, Captain! Freakout? On the house? No? Where to?
Well, if it ain't the captain.
I didn't mean for this to happen.
Doesn't matter if you meant it. It's how it is. How's he taking it?
He seems a little spaced out.
Ah.
Are you
Am I what?
upset?
Been upset for a long time. Kinda hard to reach a crescendo, you know?
This about you and Lightman?
You mean Mark? Been about that for a while.
Why do you hide up here?
Excuse me?
You're this brilliant, unexplainable creator. I don't even understand the medium, right? And I don't know, you seem ashamed of it.
Ask me how good I am.
How good are you?
I'm the greatest that's ever been. It has nothing to do with shame. I'm just plotting my arrival.
What is that?
Oh no. Did you do this?
No! Lightman wanted to choose the stage.
He's going back.
Where to?
I'm worried.
Glamagon?
Of course,
Diabolical.
Jane! Are we going to see the Glamagon?
Where's Lightman?
He's gone.
This is bad. Dreadful, hyper-catastrophic.
What's wrong? What's going on?
There are no other options. Francis Vendetti must play.
Don't be stupid.
He's the captain. If he does not play, there is no hope. We'll drift out here forever.
I think we should chill, okay? What's so dangerous about this show? Danger level dolphin doesn't sound so bad.
Francis, dolphins are the most vicious creatures in the universe.
The Hyperion Whale Zone. It's not like other stations.
It is guarded by the Glamagon. Only Lightman has faced it and lived. And he is not the showman he once was.
If the Glamourgon is not entertained, no one passes through the station. Not the crew, not the ship, not the crowd, no one.
And the performer gets vaporized with a laser.
I might never make it home.
You might not even make it to the Glamourgon.
That's correct. To get a show with the Glamagon, you must first impress the tastemaker.
She books the stage, famously hard to impress. Jungle is filled with wandering musicians who never made the cut.
Lightman is in danger. We must act now.
I know that! Maybe we can stop him. Try and skip the dimension before anyone knows we're here.
I can feel it in my antennae. The Glamagon already knows.
What a goddamn mess!
I'll play.
Absolutely not. You're good, okay? You might even wail. But the Glamourgon will destroy you, Francis.
Francis? I'm afraid this is a moment beyond the measure of Francis Vendetti. There's no Francis Vendetti in The Extraordinary. Out there, damn it! They call me the almighty soloist of the first intergalactic transmission. And not a single organism can compare to the power in these 10 little piglets.
You believe that?
I have to. Now, watch this. Oh, thank you. Oh, wonderful crowd. Great to be here.
I'm getting turbo interference. What's happening down there?
They may have me confused with someone else. You got eyes on Lightman? Can you get through to him?
Nope, not answering. He won't. He's checking his way up jungle. Same old show, same old song. Ask what the locals thought.
Did you little nuggets see Lightman? How was it? Delirious. No help at all.
Lightning survives this, which he probably won't. I'm gonna fire him into space. God, he'll be halfway to the tastemaker by now.
I should hope so. He's the support act.
You know, I don't believe in miracles. But I might believe in...
glamour gone. It's a new scene. My story begins at Nesbeam that delivers occasional proto-human wonder beings. I'm the soloist of the first intergalactic transmission. I am the Almighty! Before this day ends, I will be stood before the Glamourgon, and it will say, Encore. Yeah, he's called Lightman. He's already on his way.
Francis, my little humanoid companion. Traveling well? I hope so.
What is that? In the distance?
Lightman has secured an audition with the Tastemaker. The show is about to begin.
What happens now?
Up ahead is a listening outpost. They've got many ears on many sounds. Make a show in there. Answer their questions. Play some guitar if you can. The Tastemaker listens to all broadcasts from the listening outposts. We need your name to reach her before you do.
almighty! Right in the horns.
Crap, sorry.
Fine. It's fine. Heard you staring at the jungle. Place is even.
What are you doing up there?
I'm the furthermost scout on the frontier, listening out for the new sounds. They're waiting for you at the outpost.
Look, here he comes!
My sword covers out the
It's just like my dreams!
Soloist of the first intergalactic transmission, welcome to the frontier. We've watched your rise with immense curiosity, marching towards the tastemaker, yes?
One boot after the other.
Solid. I can see your sound playing out well here. I have organized an interview with the Public Audio Zappers, a meet and greet, if it's not too much trouble.
Of course.
I could
Just
die
like
right
in the
now.
Zaposphere!
We said his name 3 times and he has appeared!
Hyperionites, fresh into the whale zone, here with us now on Devo and Bitbot.
It's the almighty...
Greetings.
You're touring out here to impress the tastemaker, hoping to get a show booked with the Glamour Gun.
If the tastemaker were listening right now, what would you say to her?
Welcome to the age of...
We've got 1 trillion questions sent in from across the Zaposphere. Think you can handle it?
You may have 3.
So shall it be written. Question 1. What are 3 essentials on your backstage rider?
Shasha tea leaves. An octopus mixologist, non-negotiable. A marble staircase that leads to nowhere.
Question number 2. Ooh, this one's salty. Have you had any companions on the road?
A moth who is fluent in a dead language.
Here's a hard one for you. Question 3. Before you were... What was your occupation?
A zero-gravity architect.
You've been a beach. And...
The contest winners are outside.
I'll wear the same shirts as him.
All right, everyone, step right up and get your photo. That's all we have time for, darlings.
Incoming message. Zipnoid priority.
Where is that priority-wise?
Right near the top.
Okay, patch it through.
Francis! Sorry about leaving the English way. Had to make my move while the getting was good, you understand?
Lightman, what have you done? You've marooned us all.
Oh, no, not if we put on a show to remember. And kid, I got exactly 1 memorable show left in me.
Violetta's gonna cut you up.
Don't you worry about Violetta. She's a drag.
I'm pretty sure she's a genius.
Never mind all that. You and I, we're trailblazers. We're the last gunslingers in town. Kid, this is our destiny.
This isn't about destiny. This is about you. It's about you reaching out to something that's never gonna come back. And not caring who gets hurt along the way. Violetta deserves better than you. Better than both of us.
I'm about to go on stage for the Tastemaker. You got it, kid?
My name is... And you listen to me. Tonight, it's my stage. I've got no one left to impress.
Well, you save it for the spotlight, Captain.
We're sending a report down the line. Care to sprinkle a few notes over the top?
I feel suddenly lightheaded, as if the beatles of my mind were marching in some sideways parade.
You're heading to the Tastemaker?
That's right.
You think she'll like you? Or hurl you into space?
I've been hurled into space before. It's barely an inconvenience. This must be Lightman's audition. Broadcast live from the Tastemaker. Hopefully it's not his last stand.
Lightman's audition is coming to an end.
And? How was it?
It was fine.
That's it? What does fine mean?
I was led to believe fine was a devastating critique.
Yeah, you're probably right. Well, I'll just have to be even more spectacular than usual.
I'm afraid that may not be enough.
What? Why?
A poor opening act is like a stale hors d'oeuvre or a terrible kiss. Does not bode well for the main affair. Even your most spectacular show may not be enough to sway the Tastemaker.
There's nothing we can do?
Oh, there's something, but it's far too dangerous. I wouldn't suggest it at all, even though it's very close.
Tell me.
A monumental event in waiting. A creature that only appears once every 10,000 years. If you can convince it to carry you to the tastemaker.
A publicity stunt.
There's a village. It's in a cave on the far side of this field. The rest is up to you. And Francis, there's something else you should know.
Yeah?
The time in Calypso is 7:04 p.m. on Saturday evening.
My show! Crap! I'm on in an hour?
I know. Seems almost impossible, doesn't it?
Hey man, is it cool if I go in?
Are you sure? It's pretty bleak in there. There's no partying, obviously. It's a no-party zone. Might wake the damn thing up.
I'll make sure not to party.
No noise of any kind, okay? The flower pots might start dancing. Dancing's how parties start, apparently.
Oh, he's brilliant. Lightman. Well, he is. Really. We've seen it before, but I thought this time, he might have added a little shrubbery. You know, shrubbery. Something fresh. A bloom of something strange and new and... Am I making any sense?
Monster. It's Zeppelin-sized.
Little dude, is that you causing a rumble? Oh, I might be back in business yet. Keep it up.
That is not a heavy metal migraine. And I think I kind of love that. Whoa, well, I'm considering a new world of musical possibilities. I have some serious reflection to do.
What in the blazing fudge is going on down here? This place is one funky riff away from catastrophe. If anyone goes upstairs and causes a racket, well, I could lose my pension.
Whoa, where's the party?
This is my jam. They're playing my jam. What is your name, friend? They call me Floyd. I got a favor to ask you, Floyd. You want to ride on my head, don't you? Yes, Floyd, I do. Lightman!
Here we are, young blood, at the gates of Graceland.
I will not be renewing your contract.
Shush now. None of that. Shoulders back, stand up tall. You're... Who are you?
You've come a long way, baby.
You? I know you. You're the tastemaker?
I am. I alone booked the stage for the Glamogon. And a more dazzling application I have not seen.
I told you. Lightman and... It's an event of celestial enormity.
You're eager for judgment, Lightman. Then you shall have it. Lightman, jammer of the Glamogon. When we first met, you were already a beast among slow-moving mammals. You have dared the universe to deny something so frightfully evolved. And in the process, you've become one of the greats.
Words that will wander my dreams.
And the teenage riot? You look different.
I'm more messed up than ever.
You are a frightening talent. When I arrange every facet of you in my mind, I can hear you like a chord. And in the wonder of that music, there is something utterly unexpected.
That's the nicest thing anyone's ever said to me.
Yet, the chord contains a flaw, a dissonant note, just a whisper of it. You know what it sounds like to me?
No?
It sounds like folk music, Francis.
Oh no.
That's not true. I'm the...
There it is again. Folk, strummed by a ghoul in your mind. Who is he?
He's my uncle. He's a legend. Where I come from.
What is his name?
Francis, I wouldn't.
Johnson Vendetti.
Vendetti.
Vendetti! Lightman, what cheap trick is this?
He's got nothing to do with the old man. He's never even met him.
You think you could just enlist another Vendetti? Dress him up and I wouldn't notice.
Another Vendetti? What are you talking about?
He does not know.
He doesn't need to know. It's got nothing to do with him.
When Lightman faced the Glamorgon, he was not alone.
Who was... Oh, no.
He was supporting Johnson Vendetti.
You knew my uncle? You lied to me. The whole time. You were just trying to bring back Johnson Vendetti. Like all those other folks. Searching in me for some dead man I never met.
No, that's not true. Maybe I did want to bring him back. But I never asked you to be like him. I never wanted you to be anything other than whatever it is you are.
The universe turns, Lightman. Stars die, evolutionary branches rise and fall. Yet you have remained in your singular moment.
A legacy act.
And the stage of the Glamorgon is reserved for the future, not the past. Francis, the future is yours, if you have the courage to grasp it. But you cannot face the Glamorgon with a head full of ghosts. Your application to jam with the Glamorgon has been denied.
I'm sorry, kid. You'll understand one day.
No! No! Wait!
Well, it really don't seem like that long ago that was standing near. Rain falling down on my toes, platform 23. It really don't seem like that long ago. Time goes by so fast. It really don't seem like that long ago. I still replay the past. And if it don't work out, you live and you learn. If it don't work out now, mama, you crash and you burn. And if it don't work out,
Now, that is strange. No folk music, not a flighty strum. Maybe I was wrong about you, but what will the folks of Calypso make of this new creature?
Calypso? Never heard of the place. Maybe you're thinking of someone else.
Maybe I am. Where are you headed?
You know where I'm headed.
The Glamagon.
Anything?
No. Wait. What is that?
It's the strange fleshy creature.
Zom, move the ship around. We're rolling out.
Where are we going?
It's time for my arrival.